Imagine a home that's always spotless, where everything shines and sparkles. Sounds like a dream? Not anymore. Today we're going to reveal some cleaning hacks that will absolutely transform your cleaning routine. These aren't just your average tips, these are game changers that can save you time, effort, and yes, even your hard-earned money. Besides, who can deny the impact of a clean and organized home on our overall well-being? It's time to turn that dream of a perpetually pristine home into a reality. Welcome to Serene Shelter, where we make your dream home a reality. Dust bunnies are cute in cartoons, but not in your home. Let's tackle them first. Enter our first cleaning hack, a unique and efficient method of dusting. Now you might be thinking, dusting, really? But trust us, this isn't your everyday feather duster routine. This method is all about reducing airborne dust particles and making your home a fresher space to breathe in. Here's how it works. Start by turning off your central heating or air conditioning. This prevents dust from being blown around while you clean. Next, grab a damp cloth. Yes, damp, not wet. The slight moisture attracts dust and holds onto it, rather than sending it flying into the air. Now start from the top and work your way down. This way, any dust that does get airborne will eventually settle on a lower surface that you haven't cleaned yet. And remember, don't rush. Slow, deliberate wipes are the key to capturing dust, not just moving it around. And there you have it. An efficient, easy, and effective way to wage war on those pesky dust bunnies. So the next time you're on cleaning duty, give this hack a try. Say goodbye to pesky dust bunnies and hello to fresh, clean air. Stains can be a homeowner's worst nightmare, but fret no more. We've got you covered. We're about to reveal a simple yet effective way to remove common household stains. It's all about embracing the power of everyday items you already have in your home. Imagine this. You've spilled red wine on your favorite white shirt. Instead of panicking, reach for some club soda. Dab it onto the stain, let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse with cold water. Voila, the stain is gone. Or perhaps you're dealing with an unsightly coffee stain on your carpet. In this case, a mix of 1 part white vinegar and 2 parts water is your secret weapon. Apply the solution to the stain, then blot with a clean cloth. Repeat until the stain has disappeared. These methods are not only effective, but they're also easy on the pocket and safe for the environment. Plus, they save you the hassle of a trip to the dry cleaners or the carpet cleaning service. Stains don't stand a chance with this cleaning hack. Try it and see the magic happen. Clutter can make even the cleanest home look messy. Time to get organized. Our third hack is all about putting everything in its rightful place. It's time to say goodbye to that pile of magazines on the coffee table, the heap of shoes at the entrance, and that jumble of utensils in the kitchen drawer. Now let's get into the practicalities. The key is to categorize your items. Start by grouping similar items together. For instance, all your books go on one shelf, all your spices in one drawer, and all your shoes in one rack. Next, use storage solutions to your advantage. Get creative with boxes, baskets, and shelves. Remember, out of sight doesn't mean out of mind. Label your storage boxes so you know exactly where everything is. And finally, make it a habit. Take a few minutes each day to put things back where they belong. It might seem like a chore at first, but soon it will become second nature. With this hack, you'll never have to worry about clutter ever again. Cleaning doesn't have to be a chore. With these hacks, it can be quick, easy, and even fun. We've journeyed through an array of cleaning hacks today, each designed to take the stress out of maintaining a tidy home. From our efficient dusting technique that makes use of everyday objects, to our foolproof methods for dealing with those stubborn stains, we've unveiled secrets that can transform your cleaning routine. Remember how we tackled clutter? With a few simple changes, you can turn chaos into order, creating a serene space that truly feels like home. But the magic doesn't have to end here. There are plenty more tips and tricks to discover that can make all the difference in your home. For instance, did you know that a sprinkle of baking soda can freshen up your carpets? Or that a dab of toothpaste can restore the shine to your silverware? With a little creativity and a dash of innovation, the possibilities are endless. These hacks aren't just about cleaning, though. They're about cultivating a space that reflects your unique personality. A place where you can relax, rejuvenate, and enjoy the company of loved ones. Because at the end of the day, isn't that what a home is all about? So why not give these hacks a try? You might be surprised at how much of a difference they can make. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about progress, one cleaning hack at a time. What do you think about these hacks? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Serene Shelter for more amazing tips and tricks. Together we can make your dream home a reality.